Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Today I like to give you all a portfolio comprising of 10 stocks which can able to give you all a 30% return within a period of 3 months after your investments. What I mean after your investments means this is not the right time to invest now. I think there will be a correction in the market. Sometime it may come in next week itself. A correction is inevitable in this scenario. The PE of Nifty and Sensex is very high now. So there is a great chance to have a correction in the market. This is my personal view about the market. However, I feel strong that there comes a correction in the market. So after a correction, after a healthy correction, we have to enter into these shares. For that purpose, I had selected a 10 shares from various sectors, and if you invest in these shares after a correction, you can able to get a 30% return on your investments. I am sure about that. So let us come to my share companies. Okay, first from banking space. Due to corona, the most affected sector of our economy is banking. Now it shows some revival, and some of the shares comes up. SBI, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, everything comes up. But if a correction comes, it may again go below its intrinsic value. So let us select two companies from the banking sector, one from private banks and other from public sector bank. So public sector bank, the share is no doubt is State Bank of India. My first pick is State Bank of India, and from private bank, Federal Bank. So from banking space, I have selected two companies. One is SBI and second is Federal Bank. Good management company. There is an ample opportunity for Federal Bank to grow. So from banking space, SBI and Federal Bank. Second, we can take two companies from financial sector. I like Shriram Transport Finance Company. Again, if it comes under a correction, I am sure that it will goes to 1000 level. The EPS of the company is very strong. The PE ratio is very low. So we can consider Shriram Transport Finance for an investment purpose. My third company is Shriram Transport Finance Company. And the fourth company from the financial space itself, that is CDSL. It's a very good company. As NSDL is not listed, CDSL has an ample opportunity in the market to grow, and this result is very good, and the future result will be also very good. So my fourth pick is CDSL. My fifth pick is from agricultural sector. Of course, we have to be one share in our agriculture space, and my pick is GNFC, Gujarat Narmada Fertilizer Company. Why? The reason is the main competitor is from a Chinese company, and that Chinese company was declared that they are going to stop their production for a period of 2 years. That will benefit GNFC a lot. So my fifth pick is from agricultural space, and it is GNFC. And my sixth company is from cement. I like a mid-cap company from cement sector. Nagarjuna Construction Limited is a Hyderabad-based company. It has a good management. The main reason is that the promoters are accumulating the shares in recent period. That's a good sign for the prospect of the company. So my sixth pick is from cement sector, that is NCL Industries Limited. And my seventh pick, let us take from an IT sector. It is again a mid-cap IT space. Good management, low PE, EPS, everything is good. Good management. The company name is Nuclear Software Exports Limited. And my eighth pick is from pharmaceutical and specialty chemical space, IOL. Very good result. Even after very good result, it was suppressed due to some manipulation. Whatever may happen, even if it goes below 600 rupees, it will reach 1200 rupees in a period of 4 months. And my ninth pick is from consumer space. We have a one share from consumer space because it is a good space in India. that the company is Tata Consumer Products. The main reason is that the Tata Group is going to launch a app just like Jio for all their products. It will benefit Tata consumers the most. And my last pick is from automobile industry, and this company is Tata Motors. What Tata Motors? When we consider our future business, that is electrical vehicles, the Tata vehicles may be the number one portion. They are going to concentrate more in that space. So my last pick is Tata Motors. So once more I am saying the 10 companies. You please listen. First one is SBI. Second is Federal. Third is Shriram Transport Finance Company. Fourth, CDSL. 5, GNFC. 6, NCL Industries from Siemens Space. 7, Nuclear Software Exports Limited. 8, IOL Limited. 9th, Tata Consumers. And 10th, Tata Motors. I think if you can make a portfolio by investing 10% into every stock. If you decide to invest 1 lakh rupees in the share market, you can invest 10,000 rupees to each stock, and I think your portfolio will be appreciated by 30% after investment within a period of 3 months. This is my personal view. As I always say, this is my personal view. So you please make your own study before investing in these shares. I think if you all like my view, my recommendations, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.